Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in Computer Department of VPMP Polytechnic. Welcome to online video session. Today my topic name is Input Box and Message Box from unit name Introduction to Window Common Controls. In this video lecture, we learn Input Box and Message Box with example. Now first we discuss Input Box. Input box is used to get some text from the user side in the application. Input box has several parameters to generate input box as follow. Now we write first prompt. Prompt means it is the string expression display as the message in the dialog box. Now second we write title. It is also string expression display in the title bar of the input box. Then we write default. Default is also string expression display in the text box as the default response if no other input is provided. Then we last give X position and Y position. It is the numerical expression that specific custom position of the box on screen. Now how to generate input box? Now we write input box, then give one by one parameter. First we write prompt, then comma title, then comma give default value, then give X and Y position value. This is the image of input box. Now input box contain two buttons, OK and cancel. OK button return the value enter in the input box and cancel button return without any value. Now this is the example. This example we perform the Visual Studio. Now we open Visual Studio. Now we open in window form application. First we perform input box example. We first drag and drop one button in toolbox. Now we take button controller, we give the name button controller, enter any value, enter any value. Then we take label controller and drag and drop the form. This is controller to use to display our result of input box. Now we click the button, enter any value, then we show the input box in our form. Then we set the any value in input box. Then setting the any value, it is show the label. Now then click to perform the coding. Click to the button controller. Then write the coding to show the input box. This is our code window. We write the coding button click event. Now show the input box and message display the label. So first we write label 1 dot text property is equal to, we first write some message in double quotation. We give the message the value is, this is our message, and we use concatenation operator to combine input box and our message. Then we write input box syntax, input box first we give prompt means message, it also write in double quotation. Now our message to enter any integer value. This is our message from user. Then we give title from input box. We give the title result. Then give default value. Our default value is 1. Then we give X position and Y position of input box. So our X position is 120. Then comma 230. This is our coding to display the input box. Now save our coding and designing form and then run to press F5 button. This is our output window. We show the two controller. First is button controller to write enter any value, and second is label controller to display our result. Now we click the button controller. This is our input box to show this is our title of input box. This is our message to input box. We show the two button OK and cancel and default value 1. Now we change this value. We changes this value to write 10 and then press OK button. So our label display the result. The value is 10. This is the output of input box. Now next controller. Now next is message box. Message box is used to display message in the new window. For a particular event, proper message should be displayed to the user because it gives the response to the user. It means, like we take this syntax to give the small example. In a registration form, when user click on the submit button, proper message should not be displayed whether the details save or not. If any message is not displayed to the user, then user will get confused whether the detail save or not. So we display some message from the user to it is confirmed our detail is saved or not. Now this is the image of message box. Now messagebox.show method is used to display message to the user. The parameter to generate message box as follow. First we write text. It is represent message to the display. Then we write caption. Caption means it is give the title of message box. Then we write button. It is represent of more than one button. Now we write to button using following coding: message box buttons dot OK, message box button dot OK and cancel. We take the different type of button using this coding. Now we give the different type of button: OK, cancel, yes, no, cancel, retry, cancel, etc. Now we display the icon of our message box. Then we write the coding: message box icon dot error, message box icon dot information, message box icon dot none, message box icon dot stop. There are so many icons in our message box. Now we write next default button. It is the highlight of our button of message box. Then we write option, means our message box default to display in the screen of message box. Then we write message box option dot default desktop only, message box option dot write again, then message box option dot service notification, then message box option dot RTI reading, and then last we write help button to display the help of message box. Now this is the example of message box. We can perform this example in Visual Studio. Now we open Visual Studio. Now we take new form number 2. This is our new form. In message box, we generate the small message from user. Now we design login page. First we take 3 label. This is our heading. We write login page. Now we change property of this label. We change the font size using font property of label. Now font size is 16 and bold, then OK. Then we copy and paste this controller and we write username in text property of label. Then we another copy and paste. Then we write password in text property of this controller. Then we drag and drop to text box controller. This is text box controller. Now another we copy and paste text box controller. Then we take 2 buttons in our form. First button we write submit in text property of button. Then next button we write cancel in the text property of this controller. Now this is the small application of message box which we create the login page. Now we click the submit button. Then our data is username and we enter the password. Both data are saved, and then give the message user to your data is successfully submit. Now then we write the coding in submit button. Then click submit button to write coding of message box to display the message. Now we write coding of message box. Then message box dot show method. Then take counts. Then first we write message in double quotation. Your data is successful submitted. This is our message to give the user. Then we write caption. This is the title of message box. To another write in double quotation. Now we give the title. We write message. This is our title of message box. Then we take button. We show the different type of coding, buttons coding. We take OK and cancel button. Then comma. Then display the icon coding. We take first asterisk coding from icon. Then comma. We display the default button highlight. So our first button OK is we have to highlight. So we select button 1. Then comma. Then default desktop only option parameter is display. Then we click first default desktop only. Now help button is optional, so we cannot take this parameter. Then complete our coding from message box. Now we write message box coding. Then go through designing form. we set the text box property from password controller, password char, give the star symbol, so we cannot show our password. Then we write also coding of cancel button. We write me.close method. This is used for closing our window. Now save and then run this form. This is our output. We show the login page. First we write username as VPMP. Then we write password. This is show the star symbol. Then we click submit button. This is our message box window. Now it is display first icon symbol, then write the message your data is successful submitted, then show two button OK and cancel, then OK button is highlighted. This is our caption, means title message. Now we click OK button, so message box is closed. Then we click cancel button, so our window form is closed. Thank you.